Electrochemically, measuring the intrinsic feature of single nanoparticle is of great importance in nanoscience. This method demonstrates a simple but highly reproducible way to build a wireless nanopore electrode for rapid single nanoparticle analysis. The size of the nanoelectrode can reach as small as 30 nanometers by this simple fabrication method. The current resolution and the temporary resolution during the analysis are 0.6 picoamps and 0.01 milliseconds, respectively.
It is anticipated that this wireless nanopore electrode will be utilized for in vivo and non-invasive cellular analysis because of the nanoscale size of the nanoelectrode tip.
The localized surface plasmonic resonance property of the GaN nanotip and the perfect optical feature of the quartz nanopipettes could enable electric optical detection at nanoscale.
Researchers interested in the fabrication of wireless nanopore electrode should master the nanopipette pouring process, because this is a crucial step in the procedure. They should pay attention to the environmental temperature and the humidity when pouring the pipette.
First, add 4.8 milliliters of chloroauric acid with a mass fraction of 1% to 40 milliliters of deionized water with vigorous stirring. Then heat the solution to a boil. Quickly add 10 milliliters of a trisodium citrate solution with a mass fraction of 1% into the solution. Heat the solution for an additional 15 minutes until the final solution is red in color.